Hello students, welcome to the session. So today we will start from the respiration in plants. So how respiration or exchange of gases occur in the plants. So the plant exchange gases through the stomata. In the previous class, in the nutrition part, I told you that the plant exchange gases through the stomata. Stomata have a guard cell, have a pores inside it, and through these pores the exchange of gases occur. And the cells have the plant cell have a intercellular spaces in which the air enters into it and goes out. So the carbon dioxide and oxygen are exchanged by the process of diffusion. And what is diffusion? The diffusion is the movement of substances from higher concentration to the lower concentration. So there are two events occur in the plants. One is at the night and another one is occur at the day. At day, when there is no photosynthesis occurring, carbon dioxide elimination is a major activity. So whenever there is no photosynthesis occur, the carbon dioxide release in a major amount. But during the day, the carbon dioxide generated during respiration is used for photosynthesis, and there is no release of carbon dioxide. Instead, the oxygen is released in major amount. So there are two types of animals. One is terrestrial animals and another one is aquatic animals. Terrestrial animals can breathe the oxygen from the atmosphere, but aquatic animals that live in water use the oxygen dissolved in water. So they actually students, this is very important that the rate of breathing in aquatic organism is much faster than the terrestrial organism. Why? Because the amount of dissolved oxygen is fairly low to the amount of oxygen in the air. The amount of oxygen dissolved in water is fairly very low as compared to the amount of oxygen present in the atmosphere. So that's why the rate of breathing in aquatic organism is much faster than the terrestrial one. So what fishes do? The fishes actually take in water through the mouth and force it past to the gills, and then these gills actually help them to absorb the oxygen dissolved in water. So, but in terrestrial organism, they actually use the oxygen in the atmosphere for respiration. In human beings, so now we will start from the human beings. So I will share another video for it. Thank you.